Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. So today is going to be slightly different because I am going to do something for you guys that I usually do for the Visionary members here at Bit Trading, and that is going into depth with what I am looking for coming into next week so you guys can make profits alongside me. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because like I said, it is going to be very informative for you, and I will try keep it short as well. So yeah, enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. Jumping on into the charts then, as we can see over the course of the weekend, Bitcoin has been a very plateau, and this is to be expected because coming into the weekend we see volatility drop off massively, and then over the course of the weekend volatility is pretty much non-existent, so we expect this plateau price action. However, coming into Sunday evening and Monday morning, we do start to see that volatility kicking back into the market, and we start to see those bigger moves. So this is what I want to prepare you guys for. I want to prepare you guys for these bigger moves that we are going to see next week, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm looking for at my key levels so that you guys can profit along with me. So make sure that you pay attention because I have given so many amazing trades away recently to the team over on the Visionary Discord, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm looking for at these key levels. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I've given so many amazing trades to the team on the Visionary Discord, and most of them have been long positions. We've had the odd short position here and there, which have been extremely profitable, okay, because price cannot go up forever. We do tend to see pullbacks, and we have been shorting those exact pullbacks, okay. We shorted this pullback right here, and after that we established price was looking very bullish, so we entered into a long at $41,000, and of course I gave this setup to the team over on the Visionary Discord, as I always do, and then of course I always keep them informed on what I'm doing with those trades. And as you can see, as price was tapping $64,000, that trade that we entered into at around $41,000, well, here entry price was $41,868. As you can see, this trade is in over 3,000% in a profit. So this was an extremely profitable trade that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord. And we also had the newer long position that we entered into at $51,000. This was the trade that I gave to the team here. Okay, so this was on the 21st of Feb. And I told the team that I was entering into a long position. We can actually go and take a look at that here. New long setup for me. There was the setup I gave the team because we saw an SFP of the range low with bullish CVD and open interest. And as you can see, that trade is in over 526% in a profit. So these have been some extremely profitable long positions that myself and the team here at Bit Trading have taken. So if you want access to all of the trades that I give away, which are always in the Discord, then make sure you click the first link in the description or the pinned comment, and you can get access to this website here where you can gain access to the Visionary Discord, and of course the education we have for you there as well. There will be a link to the free Discord as well in the description and the pinned comment, but it doesn't give you access to my trading mindset, which gives you all the setups that I am taking myself. But yeah, enough of that. Okay, we want to look at what is going on, okay, coming into next week. Okay, we want to know what we are looking for coming into next week. Okay, so right now I am long and chill on the price of Bitcoin. Why is that? Well, I am into very profitable long positions. Okay, so I am remaining long and chill on the price of Bitcoin, and I don't see anything bearish in the charts as of yet. Okay, I don't see anything extremely bearish telling me to enter into a short. So what am I doing? I'm not shorting, okay, and I'm remaining long on the price of Bitcoin. But okay, we are starting to see some bearish signs creeping in. Now, like I said, we're not seeing bearish signs screaming out of the screen at me, okay, meaning that I'm not entering into short positions. Okay, But we are starting to see some bearish signs creeping in, and I will get onto those in a moment, okay? But right now, we do have a mini range forming right here. We have range high at 64,462, which was the high that we formed right here. And we have the low of the range at $58,605, which is this low down here. Okay, so for me right now, these are the only two key levels locally that I am interested in trading. Okay, these are the only two levels locally that I'm interested in actually taking a trade from. Okay, so if we see a move to the range high, this is when I'm considering looking for a short position. It doesn't mean I'm going to enter into a short position because price is definitely going to pull back. No, okay? I'm remaining patient, okay? I'm remaining calm, waiting for price to tap a key level, i.e., okay, the range high, where from there we can reevaluate the situation. We can look at the CVD, we can look at the open interest, okay? We can look at these tools that help us determine what other traders are doing at this key level, okay? And of course, we also want to see that confirmation on the chart as well with some sort of SFP, some sort of failed auction to give us that final confirmation to enter into that trade, okay? So coming into range high, what I would like to see to enter into a short position is a rise, obviously, to range high, okay? And we come and have a look at the CVD, and we can see the CVD, as of right now, is ticking bearish, okay? Because we are seeing lots of shorts open up, okay, as price is possibly going to make another higher high, okay? So I want to see this continue coming into this range high. If we see shorts continuing to open and we're not seeing longs opening coming into this range high, this is telling me that this is a weak rise towards the upside, and we are most likely going to see a reversal. Okay, now a reversal is not definite, okay? It's not definite just because we're seeing shorts open up at this level, okay? It's not definite that we're going to see that pullback. We want to see other confirmation factors, okay? So we want to see a SFP or a failed auction. So we want to see price actually take this high, where from there, okay, we see acceptance back into the range, and with that, we want to see, of course, continued bearish CVD, i.e. shorts are still opening up whilst price is actually forming these higher highs. And then we want to see that bearish reaction to give us that confirmation to enter into that short, where we can then actually target lower prices, okay? Obviously targeting the mid-range of the parallel channel as the TP1, and then the low of the range as that TP2, okay? So this is what I'm looking for that short position. I want to see some sort of SFP, failed auction, okay, of the high with bearish CVD, bearish open interest, giving me that confidence to enter into the short, and then we are targeting those lower price targets, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. If we do come into 64,462 and we are looking bearish, okay, I am looking to enter into a short at that level. However, price could actually come into this level and we could actually look bullish, okay? If we are looking bullish coming into this level, then I'm going to remain calm. I'm not going to enter into any shorts. I'm going to tell the team that I'm not entering into any shorts, and I'm going to be targeting higher prices, and I'm going to continue to ride these long positions much, much higher, okay? So that is my plan if we are coming into this key level and we are looking bullish, okay? I'm just going to target higher prices. What I want to see is I want to see a large amount of longs kicking into the market. If we can see a large amount of longs kicking into the market as we get a clean break of the range high, then I am happy that we can see higher prices. Like I said, I will continue to ride my long positions much, much higher. Okay, so those are the two scenarios that I'm looking for coming into range high. However, okay, from here, like I said, we have bearish CVD coming in. We do have bearish CVD creeping in, meaning that yes, we could in fact actually just see a pullback from here. That is a possibility, meaning that we wouldn't be able to take advantage of this because we wouldn't have hit a key level to enter into a short position, but that is fine. Okay, we look for that next trade. That next trade could be from the range low, and we want to see the exact same setups that we saw here, just in the vice versa. Okay, so we want to see price coming into this level looking bullish. Okay, so if we're looking bullish on the likes of the open interest and the CVD coming into the range low at $58,605, and then we see some sort of SFP, we see some sort of failed auction, then we get acceptance back into the range with a bullish reaction, okay, then I will be more than happy to enter into a long, obviously targeting the mid-range as the TP1, and then the high of the range as that TP2, of course, entering into the long position somewhere down here. Okay, so that is something that I'm looking for if we are to look bullish at $58,605. However, like if we were to look bullish up here, we could target higher prices. If we look bearish down here, then of course we can target much lower prices. Now, if this were to happen, of course I would prefer to be in a short position. So I would rather see, okay, price rise to range high, we enter into the short, we take advantage of this, okay, price looks bearish down here, then we short, okay, even lower. Okay, possibly all the way back down to $50,000. Who knows? I don't care. I just want to look for that entry, and then we can take advantage of that movement towards the downside if that is what happens. Okay, but if we don't see that rise and then the drop, okay, and we just get the drop from here, then of course we're not going to be able to take advantage of this pullback, which is okay. We can wait for the next trade, that is fine, but I would prefer to be in a trade, obviously. So I'd like to see a rise and then the pullback, okay, and then a possible break towards the downside. However, I don't really care, okay. We could see a rise, a fall, where from there we see another rise, okay, and then we could see new higher prices, okay. I don't really care. I just want to see my key levels being tapped with the reaction that I want to enter into the trade. Okay, so we're looking for shorts up here, we're looking for longs down here. That's all I'm doing. It's very simple. I have two levels, okay, and of course coming into these levels I will always let the team know if I am taking a trade or not on the Visionary Discord, as I always do. So make sure that you get yourself on this Visionary Discord because it is extremely profitable. So make sure you get yourself on there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you. This is what I'm looking for coming into next week. It's gone on a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but this is what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm looking for shorts up here, I'm looking for longs down here. Okay, like I said, if you want access to the setups in the time when I take them, then get access to this Visionary Discord, link in the description or the pinned comment. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something from this video, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you over on the Visionary Discord or in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.